In 1913, the American public was changed forever because the Federal Reserve was instituted. And the Federal Reserve was put together after having a meeting, and they said, how do we create a game that will keep people trapped and they'll never understand how to get ahead financially? Guess what? We're going to go out there and create the debt system that, and we're going to even go borrow money by creating fake treasury bonds and notes, and then we'll get the American public to pay it back by them filing taxes. And we're gonna make them think they're getting ahead. We're gonna tell them to go out there and work really hard and that debt is bad. Even though we use debt, we're gonna tell them that it's bad. And once you understand, write this down. You will never get ahead financially if you don't know how to play within the debt system. Ever. And when you break down the acronym of the word system, system stands for saving yourself time, energy, and money. So why is it that people who are working 2 and 3 jobs are still struggling? Why is it that the single mother who went out and got 2 master degrees is still struggling? Or the 2 income household still feels like they can't get ahead? Why? Because they're playing within the game of money. They're playing from a consumer side of the debt game.